Hi, Josh Leonard here with the Leonard Advisory Group. Just wanted to share a quick thought with you that I had when attending a webinar at the tail end of last week. When we look at investing in stocks, we always want to have a long-term time horizon. The screen that I'm sharing here shows any given 1 year, 5 year, or 15-year time period if you'd end up with more money or less. So when we look at that risk over a 1 year time horizon, it's certainly higher. 27% of the time, you'd actually have a loss. If we take that out over 5 years, only 13% of the time would you end up with less money than you started with. If we look at a 15-year time horizon, stocks have always been positive over that longer term time horizon. So let's think about where we are now. In March, we had stocks sell off very, very quickly due to the shutdowns and oil prices and kind of everything compounding related with coronavirus and the oil trade war that's going on currently. So what's the recovery going to look like? Is it a V-shaped recovery where things go back to normal pretty quickly? We have that bottom and then we get back to business as usual. Is it going to be a W-shaped recovery where things are getting better and then they pull back again? Is it L where it kind of zigzags over time, or is it a swoosh? We don't know is the bottom line. We all might have theories and everything else, but one of the things that really came to mind and put things in perspective is if we look back 1 year from Friday, the snapshot was taken Friday at 1:02 p.m. or May 1st. The S&P is only down 1.32% over that trailing 1 year time period. So if during this crisis you've really been panicked about your stocks, watching them sell off, had you rethinking the risk that you're currently taking, now might be a good time to reallocate. We're really just taking things back to where we were a year ago. So if we reallocate at a time like this and the market does pull back again, at least you'll be in a more comfortable position looking forward. If you're thinking of reallocating or want to reassess your risk, definitely reach out to us. We'd be happy to speak with you and talk about any changes and if it makes sense to do so in your plan. Talk to you soon.